Alrighty, well, making some pretty good progress. So that's the side panel done with a 50-50 mix of thinner and varnish. It's all absolutely rock solid. Blue's fantastic blue we've used. And then I've also done the front as well. So that's in place again, nice and rock solid. There's a little bit of staining there, which obviously is showing up more now that I put the varnish on. And I think, I don't know, I can try and sand it out. But I think it's because there was just such a delay between me actually buying the plywood and then putting it on, I don't know. But you know what, maybe one way to look at it is adds a bit of character. It looks a bit older than what it really is. Anyway, it's on, it's done, there's nothing I can do about it. Once you get a few coats of varnish on there, it won't show up as much. So that's it. That's really done as far as I'm not going to cut the portholes in. I'm going to leave them, keep it sealed for the time being. Have to get some beading down the edges. But otherwise, port side's done. And also quite, it's detailed too here. So the front overlaps the side. So weather coming in. And then I've been looking, some of these older model Halversons have a chrome strip down both sides and across the center of the peak as well, which adds a bit of class to it. So I'll be putting those on once I can source them, and that'll add some additional sealing as well. Alright folks, I'm going to leave it today. Super happy with the result, and it's already transformed it. Just that little bit of, well, not a little bit of work. Anyway, see you soon, and thanks for watching.